So we have all of our felt options. We have a charcoal, a turquoise, a chocolate, a natural, and then we have a bunch of different wear leather shapes. And then we have a whole ring of leathers to choose from. So we're just going to kind of walk through and you're going to design a saddle pad.
Sounds exciting. Let's get started.
Okay. So what color are you thinking?
I'm thinking definitely probably we'll start with the gray.
Okay. We have our wear leather options. So you're going to pick your wear leather like shape first before you're going to pick your corner plate. So do you want to walk us through our shapes?
We're going to start off with our standard length with lip, and then we are going to have our full length with lip, and then finally at the end we have our flying W wear leathers. And one thing to remember when you're picking what wear leather you want is the only one that works with our patches, which is either a circle or diamond or a corner plate, is going to be this standard with a lip.
What are you feeling?
I like the standard one with just like the corner, something on the corner by itself, just because I think it gives it it just gives it a little bit more of a, I don't know, just gives it a different taste and look, but really you can go, I mean, your options are endless, what you guys have and what you guys can do, and you guys can put any kind of brand on, like when they, if they, if somebody sends in a brand, you guys can put it on any leather and corner plate that you have, right?
Yeah. So these wear leathers are, you can customize them on the front. You can customize your corner plate. You can kind of do whatever you want. We can do initials. We can do your brand, your name of the 6 characters. So
okay,
I think
that
we're
is
doing
cool.
your brand today, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
you want to pick which leather?
But yeah,
These are the options. So we'll kind of go through these and then we'll actually click them out and set them on here so you can see them.
Okay, cool. I think this here is going to look really cool.
Yeah.
And then my brand will be lasered in on this side.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think I love
Simple,
the color
but
combo. Yeah.
I like it. Okay.
So
now we're designing another one, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going to do color?
Yes, we're going to do the natural. On the next one, we're going to go with the natural.
Here's that one.
So this is the standard wear leather, and then do you have the circle? Do you have the circle for that?
Your circle will be able to show your brand a little bit.
Yeah, the brand will be a little bit bigger. This is my favorite.
It is nice.
Which one's your favorite?
I'm a big fan of the cowhide and the ostrich. So like an ostrich like this.
Yeah, but I mean, you can, like I said before, the options are really endless of what you can do. Or yeah, I think actually think the circle would be. What do you think?
I like the circle because it'll be bigger, and like your brand is like an S, so it'll be much bigger on that.
Yep.
And I don't think you'd go wrong either embroidering that or lasering it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you could do like the wheat thread on that, and it'll really pop. But it also really pop like with the laser engraving.
Especially with that shiny finish on there, and then burning it in.
Yeah, I actually kind of like the wheat threading, and that's another option you have is all kinds of different color thread to embroider or laser on that. But yeah, no, I think.
Yeah. Do you want to do anything on the front of the wear leather, or just leave it? Just the brand on the back.
So you could actually, I mean, if you wanted to, you could probably put it, I mean, if you have one horse or that you made a specific pad for, you could put his name up there,
yeah,
couldn't
yeah.
you? If you
Yeah.
We've
you could
definitely had
personally
people do that.
Yeah.
yeah, design it. But I think we'll probably use this, yeah, on multiple horses.
Yeah.
So, but I mean, that's a very cool idea to personalize it for your horse also.
Cool.
So, but yeah, I think we're going to, with the second pad, I think we're just going to go with this, and I'm very, very excited to see the final product.
Yeah. Well, we're going to get to making these, and then you'll see Jonas here at the Congress roping here in a few days.